In this video, I'm going to show you how you can revert your CapCut version to an older version without downloading any sketchy software or visiting any sketchy website. And we are going to do this all on your desktop. So if you're having issues like lagging, freezing, or maybe a feature that you mostly use is now broken, you can revert your CapCut to an older version and use those features. So let's get right into the video, and let me show you how you can do this. So first I'm going to check my version and show you the version that I'm using, and then we will proceed to revert the version to an older version. So let's come to settings right here. So let's click on settings. Then when you come down to version, you can see that I'm using version 8.7.0 at the moment. And also an update is right here, which means there is another new version. So let's say you've updated your software to the latest version and you're having issues. Then here's how you can revert it to the older version. That works best for you. So now, the first thing you will do is to just minimize CapCut's window. So let's minimize this window. Then locate CapCut file on your desktop. So there's my CapCut file right here. So click on it, then go to Properties. So in Properties, what you need to do is to come to Open File Location. So this will open where CapCut store everything on your PC. So let's click on Open File Location. Then this folder will open. And this is CapCut's folder right here. So as you can see, I have 3 folders here. The first one is CapCut version 6.0. The second one is version 8.2, and the third one is the latest version I'm using right now, which is the version 8.7. So let's say if you want to revert your latest version, which is 8.7, to an older version, which is 6.0. What you need to do is to just open the 6.0 file. So I will open 6.0 file. Then inside that folder, all you need to do is to just select one file here. So I'll just click on it, don't open it. Then press C on your keyboard. So this will move to where CapCut is. So this is the exe file right here. So if you want to know if this is actually an exe file, all you need to do is to just right-click on it. Then go to Properties again. Then when the Properties window opens, click on Details. Now, when you come to Detail, you will see all the file description right here. And as you can see, the type is application. The file version is 6.0. The product name is CapCut. And as you can see from here, it is an exe file. So the exe file for version 6.0. So let's click on OK. Now what you need to do right from here, you can right-click on the exe file and you can either pin it to the task, or you can create a shortcut and place it on your desktop, so that anytime you want to use an older version, which is the version 6.0, you can just open it from your taskbar or open it from the shortcut you created on your desktop, and you are good to go. So this is how you can revert your CapCut version to an older version without downloading any software or visiting any sketchy website. Doing all this inside your desktop. So if this video was helpful, kindly like the video and also give us a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.